I don't mean to like degrade your mental health or anything by saying was that real, because I think you opening up about it, and I fully believe that story, and I think what you're doing is amazing, because like I said, a lot of people can learn from your life, and take whatever from it. I guess I was more so talking about the specificity of what happened with, you said on the show, you pulled the trigger of this gun and it didn't fire.
Yeah.
Which is fucking crazy. Do you feel like that was God?
Yeah, I feel like obviously, that's something whenever you're in that situation, like as blurry as the time is like it is, like you expect that to be the end of it. You don't expect to fucking have something like that go off, a misfire or act of fate or God or whatever it is. Like you truly expect that when you pull that trigger, that like that will be the end of it. So yeah, it's something that's out of, my control, out of, anybody's control. And it really is probably more so than anything, as I look back now, like an act of God. I have more of a purpose to be here and be in this earth.